This is it. The final day of fishing in the Cajun-Lone Star Tour. Brandon asked me a question that I had never really asked myself before. When does a bait pay for itself? The bait in question is the ZMAN Jackhammer. Everybody knows that bait is just a phenomenon. When it comes to bladed jigs, nothing really compares to the jackhammer. The question led to a conversation that included his wife. But my answer to Brandon was a jackhammer would pay for itself when it caught 20 fish. Well, his wife Kristen brought a different perspective to that question. And it definitely kind of changed my way of thinking about it. She said that the bait would pay for itself when she caught a 4-pounder with it. Even if it's just one fish, as long as that fish was a 4-pounder or more, the bait had more than paid for itself. She was looking for the experience out of the bait itself versus the numbers that it would catch. She wanted to make sure that she got the most of an experience out of it, which totally kind of floored me because I'd never really thought about it like that. Well, on Lake of the Pines, Brandon had thrown out this idea to me that we do a challenge video. And he threw the idea out to me while we were in the middle of fishing Lake of the Pines, so we'd already started the day. He said that we should try to catch at least 30 or 40 pounds of bass in one trip. Personally, I was in shock that he would recommend such a thing, but then I started thinking back to how our day on Lake of the Pines was, so I'm like, you know what, it might not be that far-fetched. And the stipulation, they all had to be caught on a ZMAN Jackhammer. We were supposed to go to Lake Fork for the last final day, but unfortunately, due to some unforeseen boat problems, we weren't able to really make that trip because we weren't entirely sure and confident that the boat would function properly, and the idea of being that far from the house didn't really set well with Brandon, so we just decided that we would go for a suitable alternative. No matter how many times I see a sunrise on the water, it's always different every time. Seeing a sunrise on the water is like a snowflake. It's always going to be unique.
Got one?
All right.
Finally. And it's decent size too, dude. That's a really good one. Heck yeah, brother. Here, hold on, bring it to me. I'll get it. Okay. And you got, oh, right there. Come and look at that. Heck yeah, brother. Woo-wee, look at that. This ain't no fun. This ain't no fun. $2.4. All right, so that's what's on the board is $2.4, 2 pounds, 4 ounces. All right, let me get a photo, dude. Let me get a photo. Same thing. There we go. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, she got it at the boat, dude. I didn't even reel up. Seriously, she got it at the boat. She chased it all the way to the boat. It scared the crap out of me. Cause I was like, yeah, all right. And then I'm like, holy crap. That's funny. Pound 5, you were closer.
Pound 5?
Yeah, pound 5. What, 3.9, yep. All right, baby, God bless. Thank you for the ride. Thank you, Heavenly Father. She's zero. Two.
Oh, wait.
2. Okay.
3/8.
2 and 3/8. So this is at 5. 5.9. Yep, I got one. I thought it was trash, but oh, I got one. I thought it was trash. Oh, it's decent size too. Oh, it's a good one. Holy crap! Oh no!
Oh, it still kills me thinking about losing that fish. Like I honestly, I had no words when I lost it. I felt like I got gut punched.
Oh, that kills, man. Got it. Oh! It went after my freaking trailer, dude. I had it. Dadgummit. I saw it. I actually saw it. Oh, I got one.
All right, don't lose it.
I'm not. I'm keeping it tight. Net. This one feels decent, dude. Dude, we needed one last time. That was big. And this one feels decent.
You need me to bend down to do it.
Oh, I might. Oh, no, it's the grass. Oh, I don't know, it's decent. Oh, that's a good fish. No, leave the bait in, trust me. Let me take a photo of the bait. Z-Man sent me a message, remember? They want to see me, I'm catching with their baits. Ooh, that's a decent sized fish, brother. Oh, and it's peeing on me too, It's peeing on me. Oh, thank you, Heavenly Father. Oh, that's a great fish, man. Oh. Oh, I won't. Hey, I will need you to take a photo of this one, dude. This is too good not to. Let me pull my bra down. How's that looking?
Looks good to me.
Thanks,
I
bro.
am no photographer.
Thanks, brother. Woo-wee. Okay, wait. Where's the weight? What's the scales? I need scales.
Let's set it by your foot.
No, you didn't. They're right there. Okay. 2:14. I'm wrong. 2.8. Oh, hold on. 2.8 and 7/8. Decent fish though. Whew, you pretty baby. Here, back you go. Anyway, God bless, baby. Thank you, Heavenly Father. God bless. Thanks for the ride. Whew. I got one. Yeah, it's small. It's decent size, but small. Yep, anything helps. Come on, baby. Maybe a pound and a half at the most. No, that might be a little bigger. And she choked it too, dude. Look at that. She choked it. Actually, he choked it. I'm pretty sure this is. Well, no, this might be a female. Look at the dip in the lip. Might just gonna be feeding up. Come on, dude. Come on. She choked this, dude. There we go, baby. We got you. All right. Oh, scales. Scales. Let's say one. Decent size. Let's say about 1.8. No, 1.8 7/8. All right, baby. Thank you so much. God bless. Heavenly Father. Thank you, Heavenly Father. God bless. Thank you for the ride. Yeah. Not saying, you know, you direct that at me. I'm just, you remind, like I said, you remind me a lot of Marshall. Okay. All right. I've satisfied the itch.
Watch this.
Oh, get it.
Is that gator
Yeah.
chasing that duck?
No way.
Oh,
He swam past it. The duck's going back to it. Duck, are you kidding me?
that's chasing the gator.
The duck's chasing the freaking gator. That duck wants to die, man. That duck is chasing that freaking gator. Yeah, duck, that is not a log. Stay away from it. It's full of NHH, malice, hate, and hunger. Oh, the gator like surfaced a little bit. The duck was like, oh yeah, I better back off. He's not happy now. Oh wait, now oh my gosh, it's going back. Don't you dare. It's closing in. Oh, are you kidding me? No way. Oh. You've got to be kidding me. Maybe they are buds. Oh, let's see the grass if she's decent. Oh, let's see. Oh, come on. Oh, no.
Come on.
Woo! That's a decent one right there, buddy. Ooh, look at the coloration on it. That's pretty. I'm dropping my rod and reel. Woo. Yep. Jackhammer is definitely clutch. Ooh. Oh, I didn't realize you brought some. You and your donuts.
Two on the button.
No kidding.
Two on the button.
2 and 1 8. Where are we at now? Is that 12?
That's 12.
Ooh. You're pretty. I gotta get a picture with you. You're a pretty fish. Oh, baby, I know. You are pretty, baby. Okay. Thank you, Heavenly Father. God bless, baby. Thanks for the ride. Yeah. Oh, right, there we go. Black and blue? Yeah, baby. Woo, and you got a good jump on it too. That was awesome. I'll get a snapshot of that. Here, do I need to grab it? Woo, look at that one, dadgummit. Look at that. That is 3-4 pounds all day. That is 3-4 pounds all day. That's 5 pounds, dude. Dude, that's close to it, man. Look at that. Jeez. Look at the fat belly on that thing. What you throwing, black and blue? Hold up, I got you. Oh wait, no, you're gonna get yours, okay. Yes, you did.
Can't even, the mouth is so big it can't pop it.
There you go. Dude, that thing is massive. Oh my God, get a photo, brother. That thing's massive. Oh my Lord. Yeah, dude, that is way bigger than your 4-pounder that you don't claim. Oh, that is,
4 pounds.
dude. Yeah.
I promise it's not 4.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna be the optimist and say 4. I could be wrong, but $4 pounds, baby. I told you.
4-4.
4-4. Look at that beast, dude. Oh man, that is just awesome. That is just awesome, dude.
4-4.
4-4. Bye, baby. Woo. God bless, baby. Thanks for the ride. This ain't no fun. This ain't no fun. This ain't no fun. So now we are at 14.
No, we're at 12-9.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Then it was like 4-4 or 4.
4-4.
4-4. So we're at 12-13 now, or 14-13. Oh, got one. Oh, it's little. It's well, it's.
Just get it in a little bit.
Oh.
Don't lose focus. It looks good to me.
Oh, I'm reeling you in, dude.
Looks good to me.
Oh.
Better than one.
Yeah. All right. That's pretty decent. There we go. All right. Oh. Yeah, we should be at 18. Ooh.
1-7.
1-7. So that puts us 18-4. We're at 18-4. All right, baby. God bless. Thank you, Heavenly Father. Thanks for the ride. 18-4. Huh? Feels good? Of course, you're getting one just as I'm tying on a new bait because mine's pretty much crap. Oh, yeah, that feels, oh, that looks good, dude. Dadgummit, son. Oh. Woo. Do I need to grab a dude? Oh my Lord, look at that monster, dude. Holy crap. That thing is huge. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Oh, it's gotta be 5.
That's gotta be 5 or 6, dude. That's 5 or 6. Easy. 5 or 6. Freaking easy.
I don't have my camera.
Dude, I got you. I got you. Oh my Lord, look at that. Okay. All right. Here, no, I got it. I got it.
Zeroed?
Zeroed.
Wait. Okay. Okay.
All right, let's see it. Gosh, I wish I had caught that. I'm so proud you did.
5-2.
5'2", 5 pounds. Good Lord, she's a monster, dude. She's a monster. Oh my Lord, she's a monster. I know, photo. Gotta get a photo of that monster. Let me step back because I got to. Yeah, I got like 3 photos of that one. Yeah, I was getting the moments too, dude. I was recording the moments, huh?
5-2.
That's not your PB, is it? Yes, I will record the release of this monster. Bye, baby. Oh, thanks for the ride, baby. Whew. All right. That was awesome, brother. God, I wish I had caught that, but I'm so glad you did. Whew, that was so good. 5'2". And we were 18, we were at 18, 18, I can't remember. I remember we were 18, so we're 23 something now. Gosh, that was so good, dude. What, brother? What? What you gotta figure out?
I wanted to do this whole 30-pound too.
Oh, you kidding me? It chased it up to the boat? It chased it right up to the boat. Almost didn't get it. I bet that's that same one I caught earlier that chased it up to the boat too. I wanted to bet you money because we're in the same area.
Almost jumped out of the boat when it would not have counted. This isn't even a pound, right?
Yeah, that's not even a pound. Well, yeah, I've caught, yeah, I might have been over a pound.
This isn't even a pound. 1-0 and 1-8.
1 is 1 pound. That's funny. Oh, you stuck? Oh God. Are you kidding me? Dadgummit.
Wow.
You see, this is what happens when I'm...
Wow.
Yes. Oh Lordy. Dadgummit.
This whole trip, I've been nothing but anxious, worrying about not getting that 3+ pound fish that I've been really striving for, because I wanted to end this with a bang.
Never.
Woo. Amazing, brother. 4 pounds.
4 pounds, you think?
3 or 4. At the, definitely 3 at the most, or at the least. Okay.
$3.10.
310. So that puts us at 28.10. You see, this is what happens. You tell me to check my license. This is what happened last time. I tell me to check my license. I go do it. You catch a big fish. That's why I'm beginning to think you're playing this, dude. It's happened again. That's twice in one day. It's happened.
311. 311.
A challenge complete. Okay. I cut the camera off for 1 second. Now he's claiming the 30-pound challenge is not complete.
I don't know. Where were we at? We called it 20.
We're at 28 something. Because we're at 25 and you just caught 3
We called
something.
it 28.11.
28.11. Yeah.
So we need this fish to be 1 pound 5 ounces.
5 ounces.
1 pound 5 ounces is what we need this fish to be to complete our challenge. $112.
112. Knocked out. Challenge complete.
30-pound challenge complete, and we still got lots of time. We're bumping it.
We're bumping it.
to 40.
We're bumping it to 40 now.
We're bumping the challenge for 40.
Oh my Lord. He's upping the stakes.
Then finally,
I got one. I finally got one. I finally got one. Oh Lord, it looks decent. It looks decent. Holy crap, this thing's pulling hard. Dude, what do you got me up in? Oh dude, it's big.
Can you get it?
Yep.
Oh, yes.
Oh my Lord.
Don't.
I ain't letting it loose.
Good fish.
Oh Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a decent sized fish. Oh my Lord, that's huge. Oh, she choked it too. Daggum, she choked it. Oh. Oh, thank you, Heavenly Father. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you.
Here you go.
I need the. Oh. Oh, God. Oh. Oh, it's a big fish. As big as, oh, big belly. Everything.
What's the weight? What's the verdict? Look at that. 39.
39. Oh, it ain't beeped yet. Would you please get a picture, bro? I desperately need a picture of this. I need this. Oh, I need this.
Satisfy you?
Yes.
3 pound, 3.9. That's a great.
I need a big fish, dude. I need one of your photos. Oh, hold on, let me see it. Let me see it. Okay, now, here you go. Hold on, baby.
Is it zoomed in?
No, it's in portrait. Oh, no, I'm supposed to be standing up, but no, I left it in portrait. It shouldn't be zoomed in.
Hold the fish towards the camera if you don't want. No, not towards your camera if you don't want the raw. Hold the fish. No, it's not the camera. There you go. Up just a little bit. There you go, right there. Smile. Smile at the big fish.
Yes, I need a big fish. I am so happy.
Hell yeah. 40 pound goal, man. Come on.
Okay. All right. All right.
40 pound goal. Let's get
Okay, baby. There you go. Thanks for the ride, baby. Oh. Thank you, Heavenly Father.
Earlier, Brandon lost a jackhammer, and he was so bummed about it. He actually went and was trying to find it. He was using whatever he could to scrape the area. He threw it to see if he could catch it. And then, in a moment I would never have believed had I not been there to see it myself,
Oh. Get it, brother. Get it. Yeah. Oh, dude. She's under the boat. She went under the boat. She's holy crap, dude. Look at that. She's a football, dude. She's a football. Holy crap, she is a football.
And guess what? Guess what? Double bonus.
You got
My bait back.
it ate the bait.
No, it didn't eat the bait, but brought it. You gotta know, I lost it.
Yeah, tell him what happened. Tell him what happened.
I lost the jackhammer.
He lost a jackhammer. He lost gold.
And I was upset about it.
And the fish brought it
Hold
in.
my fish, Elliot. I hooked this
Oh,
bass.
oh, that feels good. Look at that. Look at her.
turns out bass know how awesome them jackhammers are too.
Whew, okay, you know what? I'm laying it for Brandon. Whoo, look at that. Okay, we are zeroed out. Woo! And you got your jackhammer back, man. Thank you, Heavenly Father.
I don't know which one I'm more excited about.
You might have just caught the one I just released, dude. Nope, 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 it's heavier. You got a bigger one. It's heavier.
It screws it up for some reason. Hang on, let me see.
313.
313.
313. Holy crap, man.
313.
Yeah, baby. No, photo up. Photo up. Yeah, photo up. Heck yeah, brother. Woo!
Jackhammer back.
Yeah, you got your jackhammer back. Yeah, we love you, baby. We'd keep you as a pet if we could. That's what we have. We have fish retrieval. Not only did we catch the fish brought the line back to the lure. And there's the lure right there, guys.
Strategically aiming for where I knew I lost it. My line snapped somewhere in the middle of my line. And I was trying to pull my line up. Cast in that same spot to try to get my line.
Oh my Lord.
That's like,
yeah, no, that's thank you, Heavenly Father, because that's God right there, man. That is so God right there.
I must be living right.
Oh, yeah, you're definitely living right. Oh.
Well, this is it. This is the end of the Cajun-Lone Star Tour. I cannot begin to express how much everybody's support throughout this series has meant to me. Brandon, Kristen, guys, thank you so much. And also kind of a special announcement for Brandon. He is retiring after 20 years of service in the United States Air Force. Brandon, brother, thank you so much for all your service. And thank you to his family for the times that he had to be gone to fulfill his duty in service of our country. It means the world to me. And I am so excited because they're supposed to be moving back to Georgia, which means we'll have Brandon in more videos in the future, which I cannot wait because I love fishing with this man. He is one of my bros. He will forever be one of my bros. And I'm just so excited for that possibility for him being able to come back. Of course, I gotta thank my wife, Christina. Honey, thank you so much for staying with the kids while I was going out there and continuing to try and improve our lives by filming this awesome series. I couldn't do this without you. You're definitely my #1 fan, and I love you so much. But this truly has been one of the greatest experiences I've ever had as a fisherman, and it's just making me figure out how am I going to top this, because this was just an amazing trip. And everyone else, like I said, everyone, subscribers, followers, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all the love y'all have shown. It means so much.